The photography and videography world is abuzz with the latest news. DJI is officially entering the mirrorless camera market for the very first time. Known globally for their revolutionary drones and gimbal systems, DJI is now turning its considerable expertise toward a dedicated mirrorless camera aimed squarely at creators, vloggers, and filmmakers. The big question that looms over the industry is whether DJI can genuinely compete with long-standing giants like Sony, Canon, and Nikon, or if this move is simply a bold experiment. This review seeks to break down all the current information, leaks, and speculations surrounding DJI's inaugural mirrorless camera, examining design, performance, sensor quality, video capabilities, and ecosystem integration to provide a comprehensive understanding of what this new system could mean for both amateur and professional creators alike. When it comes to price and market positioning, the DJI mirrorless camera is rumored to fall in the $1,800 to $2,500 range. This positions the camera strategically for hybrid shooters and prosumers looking for a versatile tool without investing in an entire cinema camera setup. DJI seems to be targeting a segment that bridges the gap between high-end content creation and accessibility for vloggers and indie filmmakers. By offering strong video features, advanced stabilization, and seamless integration with the DJI ecosystem, this mirrorless entry could undercut certain cinema cameras while still delivering professional-grade performance. It's clear that DJI is aiming to make the camera attractive not just as a standalone device, but as part of a broader creative toolkit for those already invested in DJI products. Battery life and accessory support appear to be strong focal points in the design. Leaks indicate that the camera could offer approximately 2 hours of continuous 4K recording per battery charge, a significant figure for a mirrorless system in this price range. Fast USB-C charging and hot swappable batteries are likely to be supported, making extended shooting sessions more feasible without interrupting workflows. DJI may also introduce a variety of modular accessories to complement the camera, including ND filter kits, external electronic viewfinders (EVFs), battery extension packs, and a range of custom grips. Given DJI's existing expertise in gimbals and wireless transmission, full compatibility with Ronin gimbals and DJI's wireless video systems is expected, creating a fully integrated ecosystem for hybrid and mobile production setups. In terms of design and build quality, the DJI mirrorless camera is rumored to feature a sleek, minimal aesthetic while maintaining professional-level ergonomics. The body may be constructed from magnesium alloy, striking a balance between durability and lightweight, and designed for creators who require a camera that can withstand the rigors of outdoor and travel shooting. A deep grip, top-mounted LCD display, and weather sealing are expected to provide convenience and reliability in a variety of conditions. Button and dial customization appears to be a strong emphasis, allowing creators to tailor the camera's controls to their workflow. Conceptually, the design may blend elements from DJI's Ronin and Osmo lines, offering a compact form factor without compromising the robustness required for serious production work. Video capabilities are anticipated to be a central feature of the DJI mirrorless camera. Historically, DJI has prioritized video performance across its product lines, and this camera seems likely to continue that trend. Rumors suggest internal recording at 6K 60 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second, supporting advanced codecs such as ProRes and 10-bit internal recording. Professional video features, including waveform monitoring, LUT support, and log profiles, may be included as standard, emphasizing DJI's commitment to hybrid shooters who need both high-quality photography and professional video functionality. Integration with DJI's ecosystem could allow real-time wireless video transmission, enabling creators to control camera functions remotely via tablets or even drones, effectively merging traditional mirrorless functionality with cinema-grade versatility. Lens compatibility is another critical aspect under speculation. DJI may either introduce a proprietary mount or adopt an existing one, such as the Leica L mount. At launch, the camera is expected to include at least 2 native lenses, potentially a wide-angle prime and a versatile zoom lens. Adapter support is likely to enable the use of Canon, Sony, or Leica lenses, increasing flexibility for users with existing lens collections. Integration with DJI's broader ecosystem, including Ronin gimbals, wireless monitors, and DJI software apps, positions the camera not merely as a standalone product, but as part of a cohesive creative workflow. For hybrid shooters, this could be particularly compelling, allowing seamless transitions between handheld, gimbal-stabilized, and aerial footage. Autofocus and stabilization are expected to be key strengths of the DJI Mirrorless camera. Industry whispers suggest a hybrid phase detection autofocus system, enhanced with AI-powered face, eye, and object tracking for smooth, reliable focus transitions during video shooting. This system could rival the performance of Sony and Canon's mirrorless offerings in both photo and video modes. In terms of stabilization, 5-axis in-body image stabilization IBIS is highly rumored. Coupled with DJI's deep experience in gimbal design, this could provide remarkably smooth handheld footage even in challenging shooting scenarios. Such a system would be particularly valuable for vloggers, documentary filmmakers, and event shooters who rely on mobility and cannot always depend on tripods or external stabilization rigs. Sensor and image quality expectations are high for this camera. Early leaks suggest DJI might utilize a full-frame sensor, potentially developed in collaboration with Hasselblad, a company in which DJI holds a partial stake. If true, image quality could rival some of the high-end Sony and Canon full-frame models, offering sharp, low-noise photography and cinematic video capabilities. Users may also benefit from DJI's proprietary color science and post-production tools, including film-like color profiles, wide dynamic range exceeding 14 stops, and enhanced low-light performance. This would make the camera attractive to hybrid shooters who need versatility and high image quality for both photography and video projects, including short films, YouTube content, and commercial work. Another notable potential feature is DJI's focus on workflow optimization. With modular accessories like external EVFs and battery packs, alongside seamless integration with existing DJI gear, the camera could streamline the creation process for professional content. Hot swappable batteries and fast charging support ensure that even long shoots remain uninterrupted, while wireless video streaming to tablets, monitors, or drones could enable new production workflows that combine ground-based and aerial footage seamlessly. For creators invested in DJI's ecosystem, this offers a compelling reason to consider the DJI Mirrorless camera over more traditional competitors, as it promises a level of workflow efficiency rarely found in standalone mirrorless systems. When it comes to market positioning, the DJI Mirrorless camera aims to fill a niche between entry-level mirrorless systems and high-end cinema cameras. By offering professional features at a price point slightly below full-blown cinema rigs, DJI could make hybrid content creation more accessible for smaller studios, indie filmmakers, and traveling creators. This is especially relevant for users who need a versatile all-in-one solution for both high-quality stills and video, without investing in multiple camera systems. The rumored price range makes it competitive with prosumer offerings from Sony and Canon, while potentially offering unique features such as ecosystem integration and advanced AI-assisted autofocus that could set it apart from the competition. In conclusion, DJI's rumored mirrorless camera is shaping up to be a versatile, creator-focused tool designed for hybrid shooters who demand both high-end video and still photography capabilities. With the potential for advanced AI autofocus, 5-axis stabilization, cinematic color science, robust ergonomics, and seamless ecosystem integration, it represents a bold step into a new category for DJI. While questions remain, the leaks suggest that this camera could redefine expectations for mirrorless systems, providing an innovative option for content creators looking to consolidate their gear and maximize creative flexibility. The camera's combination of advanced features, professional design, and compatibility with DJI's existing ecosystem positions it as a strong contender in the mirrorless market, potentially setting a new benchmark for hybrid content creation. Creators and enthusiasts alike should stay tuned, as DJI's first mirrorless camera may very well be the most exciting and disruptive release in years, bridging the gap between photography, filmmaking, and cutting-edge technology.